is a bush cricket, also known as the long-horned grasshopper. It is not a true grasshopper. Grasshoppers have short and thick antennaes, but these crickets' antennaes are often longer than their body. Bush crickets are herbivores, which means they only eat leaves and flowers. They live in warm grassland areas, in bushes, and in gardens. Bush crickets are nocturnal. To find each other in the dark, they make a special call, that cricket sound that you usually hear at night. They produce it by rubbing their legs on their wings. Many use mimicry to camouflage themselves as leaves and blades of grass, so nobody bothers them in the daytime. The most amazing thing about crickets is that the sounds they make depend on the temperature. So by the number of chirps in a cricket song, you can tell the temperature of the air. To find the temperature, you need to count the number of chirps of one cricket within 15 seconds. Then add it to 37 to get the temperature in Fahrenheit.